Hip flexion. Start with the knees bent, heels flat on the floor, shoulders rolled back, and eyes looking forward. Without rolling your knee in or out, raise your right leg into your chest, holding for 1 second, before slowly lowering back down to the ground. It's important to maintain a tall, upright posture throughout the entire movement. Glute tightening. Begin in a tall, upright position, keeping the feet hip width apart. Cross the arms and squeeze the glute muscles. The longer you squeeze the glute muscles, the more difficult the exercise will be. Knee extension. Sit towards the edge of the chair with both knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Extend the right leg out as straight as possible, focused on tightening the quadricep muscle. Hold for 1 second, then slowly lower back down to the ground. Focus on keeping a tall, upright posture and your eyes forward throughout the entire movement. Abdominal crunch. Sit up tall, tuck your chin in towards your chest, and cross your arms. Inhale as you slowly bring your elbows down into your thighs. Exhale and return to the starting position. Oblique twist. Sit up tall with both feet flat on the floor, keeping your arms and elbows flexed. Bring the right knee towards the left elbow and slowly lower back down to the ground. Alternate bringing your left knee towards your right elbow. Hip abduction. Sit towards the edge of the chair, keeping the right foot flat on the floor. Straighten the left leg out. Raise the left leg up and rotate out to the left side. Hold for 1 second and return to the starting position. Try only using the hip muscle by keeping the left leg parallel to the ground and your toes pointed up to the ceiling throughout the movement. Toe touch. Slide towards the edge of the chair, keeping the left leg bent and the left foot flat on the floor. Straighten your right leg, pointing the toes up towards the ceiling. With one hand on top of the other, reach down as far as you can towards the ground. Remember to focus on keeping the right leg as straight as possible. It's important to not hold your breath while doing this stretch. Be sure to breathe, reaching further with every exhale. Hold for about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Hip lengthening. Start out sitting towards the edge of your chair. Rotate your body 90 degrees to the left. Keeping your chest up, drop the right leg down and extend the right leg back. Keep the left leg bent and chest up tall throughout the entire stretch. You can place your left hand on your knee or grab onto the chair for support. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on both sides. Figure 4 stretch. Sit up tall with both feet flat on the floor. Bring your right leg over your left knee. Gently push down on your right knee and lean forward to feel more of a stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat on the opposite leg. To make the stretch a little bit easier, you can start by straightening the left leg, then crossing the right leg over, pulling the knee up in towards the chest. Chest and bicep extension. To start this stretch, you may have to rotate in your chair so that you have enough space to straighten your arms behind you. If you can, clasp your hands behind your back and press the arms straight down into the ground. If you're unable to clasp your hands behind your back, that's okay. Just reach the arms back behind you, pressing them down in towards the chair. Shoulder extension. Start by sitting up tall, taking one arm and reaching it across your body. Make it as straight as possible. Grasp the elbow with the opposite hand and gently pull in towards your chest. Tricep stretch. Sit up straight, reach the arm behind you so that the palm is facing the middle part of your upper back. With the opposite hand, reach across and gently push up on the elbow. To make the stretch more difficult, reach the arm behind the head and pull down on the elbow.